There's a special kind of freedom that comes with disconnecting from the digital world and immersing ourselves in nature. It's in those moments that we truly find ourselves and discover what really matters in life. On the last episode, you saw us finally getting to the Grasslands near Kamloops, British Columbia. We're rolling through these paths towards our camping destination, which for now is a big unknown. But that's part of adventuring, not knowing exactly what's to come. So, we took a wrong turn and we've ended up in a nasty spot. Oh, that's vertical. That's vertical. Like, I have to go up there.
Yeah. Do you want me to go and check and see what's the top before we...
I should have recorded that. Oh shit, where am I going?
The camera was on, but it was in my lap.
So we didn't get that on camera, unfortunately, because Allison was like, oh, maybe I should get out and check what's ahead. And I just pressed the accelerator and I was like, screw this, I'm going. And it was like, that was real nasty.
I had my eyes closed.
That was real nasty. Jesus Christ. Okay, we're good. Oh God, I gotta breathe. That was straight up nasty. That was straight up nasty. And it's my bad for not getting it on camera, because if I failed miserably, I should have gotten it on camera. Even my success should have been on camera. But unfortunately, you don't always have the cameras on. Anywho, we're gonna keep plugging along. You know what's funny? All this stuff probably looks like nothing on the camera because of like the angle that we're driving at. But Jesus Christ. Taking a wrong turn in the wild can mean the difference between a nice, enjoyable amount of adventure and a truly dangerous situation, especially when you're traveling alone. Teetering somewhere in the middle is usually a good idea, but eventually we had reached the more groomed trail and we were once again on our way forward. Well, would you look at this? Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. We have the lake over there. That's where we want to get to, but right now we're exhausted and we found a really cool spot. The view is just absolutely breathtaking. Lots of grassland, lots of grassy area. The only thing is, I don't think we're gonna have a campfire tonight, even though we have wood that we brought that's dry and I chopped. It's like a grassland and there's a lot of dry grassy bushes around, so all it takes is one spark. There isn't a campfire ban right now, so we are allowed to have a campfire. It's just a solid 25 degrees Celsius and the grass is very, very dry. So I think we're gonna not have a campfire here where we are, but we'll see when we get to the lake. For now, we're just gonna get set up and yeah, enjoy this beautiful view.
Floki is a genius. He had the bright idea to set up this beautiful tarp system so he could get more shade at this campsite.
Yeah?
Genius. Yes.
Floki's a genius?
Clearly, look, he's lying in the shade. He knew exactly where it was going to be. He put in so much work today.
He put in so much effort today.
Do you know how much effort it takes to crawl into the front seat while simultaneously climbing into the trunk of the car?
I know.
He sat on everything today. Sat on the battery. He has been bumped all around.
Behold my genius. Not Floki's genius, my genius. It's, as you know, a scorcher of a day because we've been complaining about it. Can't really complain about it because it's really freaking nice. Anyways, we have an awning. Cheap Princess Auto awning. Works fantastic. And I've put a tarp to protect us from the sun. Mostly because the vehicle needed to be level for the tent. And this is the best way to do it. And I just have to say that from where we'll be sitting, the view is incredible. Allison has never flown the drone before. So today she's learning how. The absolute basics.
Yeah, so I want to learn how to fly it. I've never actually flown it before, and I am planning to go on a trip that Ansel will not be joining me on.
Where are you going?
I am going to Patagonia, Argentina, and Chile.
Ooh.
So the southernmost point of the mainland, I guess. And it would probably be cool to have some video and photo footage. And I won't have Ansel there with me to do it. So
Please don't crash the drone. I've already done that.
you have.
I have.
It was fun.
Okay, so this is my new tattoo. And it's got Tegaderm on it, which is just a transparent film band-aid. The problem is I've gotten sweaty, and when you like move, so I was chopping wood, pretty much all of it's just come off. So I'm gonna now remove it, wash it with hot water, and try to keep it clean, as clean as possible, simply because the reason why even, this is really good to have is because we're out in the wild right now, and I'm just doing things that my arms get dirty, and there's, dust and dirt and bacteria. So it's important to keep it clean. Anyways, I really just wanted to show off my new tattoo. Anyways, there's my new tattoo. And yeah, this whole arm's going to be covered eventually in the next month or so. I'm going to be getting a lot of design, geometric designs all over it. So yeah, very excited to get that done. Allison and Floki are gone to explore because they hear prairie chickens. The great adventurer has returned.
I have, and for the second time today, I've gone on a solo adventure and come back with an injury. I have a thing in my leg.
I should not laugh.
I was gonna try and grab it and pull it out
I'm
while I was over
sorry.
there, except there are thorns on either side.
You okay?
Ooh! Ow!
Look at that.
Oh, it knows how to grab you.
Oh, I hope it's not poisonous.
So do I.
It looks like it has some weird tips going on.
Yeah, it's probably my blood.
Oh, yeah. Well, we'll clean the thing.
This one I will disinfect.
We'll clean your wound. Sorry.
I
Do
mean,
you want a steak? Will it make you feel better?
Yes. Do we have steak?
Yes.
Okay.
I am cooking steak.
Whoa.
Steak and potatoes for supper.
Yes, that sounds delicious. Thank you.
Did you not see that in the fridge? Oh, it's buried at the bottom.
It is, yeah.
I'm so excited.
Let's
do it. This has to be one of the most relaxing, serene camping spot. Just the view of the valley with the river is so nice. And you know what? The sound of the river and lakes is great. But here, the only sound we have is birds chirping. That's it.
It's kind of nice.
Which is really nice. Makes a good change.
Yeah.